Hi vlog! So today we're gonna ask some of our members to describe Club Giorno Philippines in one word. Let's go!
Family.
Prestigious.
Hindi to one word pero community service.
Resilient.
Club Giorno Philippines embodies humility.
Labing person lahat. Lahat sila mapagmahal sa akin.
Transparency.
Camaraderie. Pioneer. Sa pagkakaalam ko, kami yung unang grupo na nag-initiate ng mga charity. Kaya ang grupo namin is hindi lang puro ride, meron kaming purpose which is mag-give back sa mga community at i-share yung mga blessing din na tatanggap namin.
It's inspiring because we are more than just a group. We ride with a purpose and we want to inspire other Giorno owners and Giorno groups na we are more than just tambikes. We can also serve the community. So the farther that we get with kung saan man tayo mapunta, mas malayo rin yung matutulungan natin with our potentials and capabilities.
Passion, driven by love for community and rides.
Club Giorno Philippines values respect.
Quality. So we always say quality over quantity.
Inclusive. For me, why inclusive? Kasi regardless of where you came from or kung ano man estado mo in life, you are always valued and welcome here in our club.
There you have it, guys! Thanks for watching! Bye!